Yay.
Back in Washington.
Back in Washington.
And we are almost to where someone is from.
It's true. Every time I say it, they go, "Oh, you're Canadian?" Like, no, I'm not.
When we were in New Zealand and people asked if we were Canadians, we said yes. They're like, "Oh my god, your accent. Are you guys Canadian? You guys are so nice. Are you Canadian?" I was like, yeah.
Sure, we'll run with that.
Totally. And then one person, we were like, "No, we're actually from America." They're like, "How?"
Americans don't sound like you. Americans aren't nice like you.
Yeah, and they're just like the most cliche, like New York, like just snappy, rude, like the accent, and then either that or like Valley Girl.
Yeah.
I mean, to be fair, we touch Canada, so like they probably rub off on us at least a little.
Just a little bit. Call it Cascadia.
Yeah, I am all for Cascadia. We are in Travis's homeland.
My homeland. While here feels more like home, I still like Seattle more than I like Portland for the most part, I think.
Yeah. Well, this is Travis's elementary school.
Yep, 7th and 8th grade.
Right there.
I was gonna turn down here to see the name.
7th and 8th grade in elementary?
Yep. That was my, middle school. My bad. Said the wrong one.
Baptist Church? Are you sure?
No, it's Baptist Church is further over.
Oh. Oh, CAM Academy.
That's the one.
Wow. Private school boy.
Me and Jonathan and Brad all tested for it at the same time and all got in, and then both of them didn't go. I was like, what the crap? Part of the deal was that I would have friends there too, and they, nothing. Bastards.
And now you're 32 and a half and still upset about it.
I didn't really think about it until we saw it again, so it's very different.
We're in Travis's hometown.
True.
And they got a Taco Bell.
We got a Taco Bell. It's all sorts of new. Now, all this was not here. This was like a random farmer's field, like cows and stuff.
And now it's a Taco Bell.
Yep.
And a Rose Hours. And a mod. You guys have mod?
Oh, yeah.
Damn.
Ridgefield's looking up.
Wow. Look at all this. They're developing like wild.
Yeah, they are. All these neighborhoods and stuff all around didn't exist. All that stuff didn't exist.
Apartments.
Oh, that's weird. So weird. Down here, you can sort of see to the right Abrams Park, which is like this big park that had a big soccer field and baseball fields and like a big old jungle gym thing. And like when you had a soccer game when you were a kid, it was at Abrams Park usually. Yeah, that's Abrams. Sorry. Told you too soon.
So that park, the very first time that we ever came to Ridgefield, when he was like showing me where he was from and stuff,
A few years ago.
we took Elliot there.
Yeah, Bubba.
And he loved running around the fields.
Yeah, we threw the chucket for him, and there's a little creek down there that he went on, got all in, and had a good time with. That's new. I think. I don't remember there being a stop sign here.
You're just like, I blew it every time.
I mean, maybe, but I'm pretty sure it didn't exist. Oh, so on the right over there, that's where the elementary school down here used to be. That's way bigger than it used to be, at least that I remember. And then that's the middle school.
This is the administrative and civic center.
Well, it used to be a middle school. My bad. That used to be View Ridge Middle School. I never went there. That's since I went to that other middle school. This is like the old Ridgefield where it's like there's a little market right here that people used to go to. There's like a hardware store right up here on the corner. And then on the left, there's another little market that people went to. Like, I will say I did not spend that much time down here as a kid. Like,
All right, are you ready for it?
what?
The kids who live down here in the city
Yep.
were called dirts.
Yep. Instead of, like, some people say townies or whatever, but they were called dirts.
And then the cool kids who had acreage.
Which is normal. Just up the hill from downtown Ridgefield, there is a couple neighborhoods that are supposedly, well, they are, I think, a little bit nicer. And so Kevin always said that made them topsoil because they're the top level of the dirts. So that's the other elementary school, the Union Ridge. And then that didn't exist. That was where the soccer field's there. I think it's still there.
Do you even know where you are?
Well, that's brand new, so not really. I don't know. And then, so where that used to be the middle school, I'm guessing that's the middle school now, and that's still the elementary school. I'm guessing. I don't know. Yeah, it's weird. Oh, hill assist coming through.
We are having dinner at El Rancho Viejo.
El Rancho Viejo.
Which,
came here when I was a kid.
Yeah.
I remember it being good. Figured, hey, we're hungry. Let's have a go. But see if it's still good. Okay. Wow.
What'd you get?
Chili verde with corn tortillas. What about you?
I got a super burrito de asada.
It's good. As good as I remember.
Chips and salsa were super good. Horchata's super good. How was it?
It was good.
Remind you of your childhood?
Yeah.
Do you feel at home?
Like, it's weird being here because it's also different, but at the same time, like, doesn't feel like it's that different.
But it's home.
Yeah, it's still home.
You were born and raised.
Well, I wasn't born here, but born in Southwest Washington, raised in Southwest
You were
Washington.
born 5 minutes away from here and raised here.
That's true.
And we're in
Clark County.
Ridgefield.
Well, I don't have an accent, so don't know what to tell you. What about you? What'd you think?
I thought it was good. Horchata was really good. Chips salsa was super good. That burrito was really good. The beans were good. And I feel like I'm experiencing a piece of your childhood from before I knew you. Because I've never been, like, I've been to Abrams Park and we've driven past your old house that his dad built with his hands.
That's true.
But, like, I've never gotten outside the car, like, touched or eaten, consumed. I've never consumed a piece of Ridgefield before. So now I feel like a changed person.
You feel like a Ridgefieldian?
I feel like a dirt.
Oh, God. I feel full. That's what I feel like.
I'm full.
Yeah.
So, it was good.
Yeah, it was good. Glad
It
we
hit
decided
the
to stop.
spot.
Yeah. We've been talking about having some Mexican the last few days, so.
Yeah. But now we have to drive back to our hotel and Travis has to work.
That's right. That's what we're here for. Work. So.
True.
Okay. Well, we'll check in later. Okay. Bye.